Login failed on Digit Plus fix. You open your Digit Plus app, ready to check your automatic savings, but the screen flashes login failed. It's frustrating, but don't worry. The surprising truth is that this issue usually has a quick fix and most people just miss a few simple steps. Start by checking your internet connection. Digit Plus needs a secure, stable connection to sync your bank and savings data. If you're on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or disable your VPN if you're using one. Many users find that this instantly solves the problem. Next, make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions can cause failed logins because of security upgrades. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Digit, and tap Update. If you're still locked out, clear the app cache. On Android, open Settings Apps Digit Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app that wipes out any temporary files that might be causing issues. Now, double-check your password. If you've recently changed your login credentials or linked new accounts, the app may still be trying to use old information. Manually type your username and password instead of relying on autofill. If it still doesn't work, hit Forgot Password and follow the reset link Digit sends to your email. One more thing, sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Digit occasionally performs security updates or server maintenance. When that happens, just wait 10-15 minutes and try again. So, when your Digit Plus app says login failed, don't panic. Check your internet, update your app, and refresh your credentials. With a few quick fixes, you'll be back in your account watching your smart savings grow automatically just like it should.